Hi, yeah, it's me. I'm a little incognito today with my hat and a lot less makeup than I usually wear. By the way, to the person who told me that it's totally unnecessary to eat while I'm talking to you and they think it's weird, babe, do you not go out to lunch and dinner with family and friends and literally have conversation over eating? That's what we're doing. So I find it weird that you find it weird. Okay. I have been overweight my entire life. My heaviest weight that I got up to was over 400 pounds as an adult. So I've been made fun of, teased, bullied since I was a kid. And I developed what I call a defense mechanism. Is that really what it is? I don't know. But I know y'all have heard me do this. I will make fun of myself before I ever let you make fun of me. You guys have heard me come on here and I'll be like, yes, I have dirty hair. Yes, I'm looking ratchet today. No makeup. And just say something about myself because I feel if I can beat you to making fun of me, it softens the embarrassment a little bit, if you will. But also like, I made fun of myself first. Ha! You can't do it. Say, like I went somewhere and like there was a chair. The chair was not wide enough for me, like with the armrest. I would like look at that and be like, how do you expect these booty cheeks to sit down in that thing? Like I would go ahead and make a joke about it because I knew I was about to be embarrassed. Okay. Or like say I go somewhere and I see this flimsy chair and they want me to sit down. I'm like, I know y'all ain't about to make me shallow how this chair right now. I know y'all ain't trying to do that. Like I will make a joke about it. Okay. Make light of the situation, make fun because it's like me foreshadowing what's about to happen. Have I broke chairs in front of people? Yes. And it's so embarrassing. Okay. And it's just like, if I did that, if it really did happen, then I wouldn't be so embarrassed. It's my thing. And I do it a lot. People are like, quit making fun of yourself. It's like, I feel like I have to make fun of myself before the bullies can make fun of me. Like I can make fun of me first. So I already did that. So you're late to the party. You know what I mean? I don't know. But if it's almost like it softens the embarrassment and I will embarrass myself before I ever allow you to embarrass me first. Does it make sense? I don't know.